Hi guys, it's me Ronan and welcome to my channel. Okay, so teka lang. Medyo madilim dito. Makalabas nga tayo. Doon tayo sa labas. Tayo sa labas pero medyo That's my mom. Ayan. Busy-busy siya. Hi ma'am, say hi.
Hi.
Ayan, that's my mom. Doon tayo sa labas para medyo maliwanag kasi dito sa loob. Dito sa loob, oo, may mga sampay. Dito sa loob medyo madilim. Ayan, so excuse the sampay. Kasi here sa province, comfortable pa yung mga tao dito na talagang nagsasampay sa sampayan. Normally kasi dun sa Maynila, ginagamit natin doon is naghahangoy na tayo sa mga sampayan. Dito talagang sampay. Sampay kung sampay yung labanan. Probinsya-probinsya. I'm actually here now in my province in Mindanao. I'm here in Valencia City in Bukidnon. This is my hometown. So I'm here for the holiday. So I wasn't able to create a video or a content lately. It's because I'm here. So nagbabakasyon po ako. And when I decided to come home, the first plan is to create a vlog. When I saw my family doon sa airport, that plan actually went out of the window right away. So I just decided to just focus on, kasi ilang araw lang ako dito. And I'm looking forward for this time of the year kasi makikita ko na yung family ko and I'm going to spend the holiday with them. So minsan lang yung mga pagkakataong ganito kasi nilook forward ko ito every year kasi minsan lang ako umuwi, once a year lang. Kaya I decided na not to vlog or I just focus myself doon sa family, yung focus ko, yung energy and all with my pamangkins and all that. Since meron akong bagong pamangkin, yeah, I have a new niece and she's so pretty. Oh my god. So this is just a quick vlog. Dito ako sa likod ng bahay. Ayan yung ano namin, kalamansi, guyabano na plant. This is just a quick vlog. Sorry guys if I wasn't able to create a new content. Just want to greet you a belated Merry Christmas. I just hope na okay yung Christmas ninyo, masaya with the family, especially to those, all of you guys who have the anxiety issue or mental illness. You know, for me, ito yung pinaka nilook forward ko in a year kasi coming home is like, it feels like parang a reset to me, to recharge. It's good for my mental health, it's good for my well-being, to be with my family, just to remind me that there are a lot of people here, even doon sa metro, but here in my province there are a lot of people who love me as me. It feels good, no, to know that there are people who love me here, especially when you are surrounded by family members. So guys, I encourage you to find that parang place or person that can help you parang reset or recharge, make you feel good, make you feel loved. So for me here, kaya ako umuwi, ayan, very probinsya. Kita din na yung bakod namin dito sa likod. So this is actually one of the reason why I actually created this channel, and I'm thankful guys na to all of you who reach out, to all of you who watch my video, and sana din mag-subscribe kayo sa channel natin. And thank you to all of you. Kudos to all of you. Kudos pala to us, no? Kasi it's New Year, tomorrow is 2019 na, and we are here. So na-conquer natin yung 2018 and we are still alive and we are still kicking and we're still fighting. To all of us who have anxiety issues, who have mental illness, who have depression and all that, it's not easy, diba? But we are here. For those of you who are watching this video right now, congratulations, kudos, and good job. So let's face tomorrow kasi it's December 31 right now. So tomorrow, New Year na siya talaga. So let's face tomorrow with a bang. Bang! Let's face tomorrow and let's be the better version of ourselves, diba? And the stronger version. Kakayanin natin yan. Oh my God! I'm so excited. Yan, so tomorrow uwi na rin ako ng Manila. Pero ganun talaga kasi we have to work. Diba? We have to work. Part yan ng life natin, yung trabaho na yan. Just go right. Anyway, meron pala kaming manok dito sa likod. Ayan. Sorry, may mga pants, may mga panty. May manok kami dito sa likod. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Sa pamangkin ko yan kasi part yata ng project nila yan na mag-create sila. Parang ano bang part ng anong klaseng project yan? Bubuhay sila ng pupalaki sila ng chicken. Ayan, may chicken. May semi-poultry kami dito sa likod. Anyway, lakas ng hangin. Sana naririnig nyo kung medyo malakas yung hangin. Anyway, so yun lang. So let this be my last video for 2019, and I just want to say thank you to all of you who reach out to me and share your story, share your experiences and how you counter or how you parang overcome your anxiety issues. As I have said, I am not an expert at this. I am also learning still, but I am not a severe case. So kung severe man yung problems ninyo sa anxiety, I advise na you seek help sa mga professionals. Kasi ang sasabihin ko lang din naman sa inyo is you find a psychologist, a clinician, or someone who can assist you, yung professional talaga. Do ako, no, hindi pa ako nagpapacheck. I'm not properly diagnosed. Anyway, feeling ko kasi ang yabang-yabang ko na kung kaya ko namang i-handle siya ng ako lang, I want to do it on my own. So far naman okay siya. Nakakonquer ko naman siya. And I'm doing well now. 2018 naging okay siya sa akin. So hopefully 2019 na ma-beat ko talaga siya totally, but you know, 'di ba? Anyway, Happy New Year to all of you guys. And Happy New Year to you and to your family, and thank you also for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. You can check all my social media doon sa description box. Lalagay ko sila doon, no? Sana lang naririnig nyo ako kasi medyo malakas yung hangin. Oh my gosh, wala pa naman akong mic. Mano-mano lang ito. Nag-iingay yung mga manok. Anyway, so guys, please remember to choose life, choose happiness, and happy lang tayo. Don't forget to smile. Bye for now.